Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and in today's video I'll be showing you the AC controls of Skoda kushaq. This might be similar to Skoda Slavia also, but in this video I'll be using my Skoda kushaq. So this is how it looks like AC panel here, and see here the currently the AC I have put it as off because I want to show you how this works. So AC I'll just switch it on. So how this happens is I'll just there are two modes, like first one is auto and second one is manual as per your requirement. So for auto it's very simple operation, just press this auto button here. So now AC is on, and yeah, I can feel the cool air from here. Here are the vents here. First vent is here, first vent is here, second vent, third vent, four vent, and two vents at the rear passenger seat. So total around six vents are there, which is in front of the passenger. But few vents are like below this dashboard and above that dashboard. And this vehicle also has this ventilated seat option. So if you have put it in auto, and if you want to switch on the ventilated seat, just press this button. So this is for the driver, this is for the co-driver. So now both the ventilated seats are on. If you want to decrease the airflow in the ventilated seat, just press once more. Now this is at half power, this is at full power, and this is off. So this is how ventilated seats work and AC works in auto mode. Also these buttons are you can see all everything is touch screen, and this also comes with air care, so which purifies air inside your car. And this is the button for inner circulation. So now AC is in auto mode, and it will be the circulation will be inside the vehicle, it will not take air from outside. So this is the feature we should use in heavy traffic situations, because there the vehicle will be emitting more smoke, so we can breathe like inside the air inside the vehicle which is present, not the outside polluted vehicle. So this inner circulation you can use at heavy traffic place, but in highways you can use the like normal circulation. Just switch it off. This is the normal circulation, this is the inner circulation. So this was for regarding auto mode. But if you want to see the manual mode, basically just press the auto button off. uh, okay, now my auto is getting disabled. Yeah, so now auto mode has disabled. So I'll just show you once more how to disable auto mode. Now currently it is on auto mode, just slide it here. Auto mode disables, so you can slide it as per your requirement. Now it is a little colder here, so I'll just set it at level 2, and also I'll just increase the temperature according to my requirement. I generally keep near 22.5, that's the temperature I like. So and in this I now inner circulation is off. Now I'll switch on the inner circulation. This is the mode I use for my personal usage, so you can use it as per your requirement how you want to use. But basically only two features are there: auto mode on, auto mode off. Set according to your requirement. Set the blower, lowest blower, highest blower. And this is very easy, just slide it if you don't want to press it. And how to switch off the blower is just long press here. So now blower is off, your vehicle's temperature will be steady. Just switch on this, and this will be the lowest level of circulation. So and these two things are for defogger. So this is the front defogger, this is the rear defogger. I'll not switch it on, the blow is very powerful here. So front defogger, rear defogger, and also this is for the air. Now if the air is circulating at all places in the car, now again if I press it, now I am feeling maximum airflow in near my legs, now near my thighs and my stomach area. And now it's all over the car. So I basically use it at auto mode and inner circulation. This generally regulates the airflow in the car, and this keeps the temperature mostly stable. And if I am not using auto, I'll just set this to level 2, and I'll just uh, based on the requirement, I'll set inner circulation or outer circulation. So this was the thing about the AC, and how you want to control the vent is here. So this is off, this is on, and up and down, off, off, on. If you put this on off, the circulation will be more here, so you can just off, on, up, down, up, down. So basically this is how the AC vents work and AC works in this car. So let me know if you want more informational videos. I'll create and I'll upload it for you guys. So thanks for staying till here, and take care and have a nice day ahead. Thanks a lot.